Welcome. If you want more control over your privacy and location sharing on Messenger, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process of enabling the Ask Every Time option for location permissions on Messenger. This ensures Messenger will always request your approval before accessing your location, giving you full control every time you use the app. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you manage all the permissions and features for your device. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Apps or sometimes App Management, depending on your phone model. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll through your apps until you find Messenger. Tap on the Messenger app to open its Settings page. Here, you'll see several options related to how Messenger interacts with your phone. Now, find and tap the option labeled Permissions. This is where you can control what Messenger is allowed to access, such as your camera, contacts, and of course, your location. Within Permissions, look for Location. Tap on it, and you'll see several choices for how Messenger can use your location data. To make sure Messenger always asks before accessing your location, select the option that says Ask Every Time. This way, anytime Messenger wants to use your location, you'll receive a prompt and can choose to allow or deny access in that moment. And that's it. With these settings, Messenger will never access your location without your explicit permission. This is a great way to maintain your privacy and stay in control of your personal information. If you ever change your mind, you can follow these same steps to adjust your location permissions at any time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your apps and privacy settings.